Hello, welcome to Mr. Ralph's teaching, maybe 11.5. Today we're dealing with problem solving in angles. So I put a couple problems on here to show you kind of what they're going to be doing. So let's look at the problem first. Mr. Tran is cutting a piece of kitchen tile as shown on the right. He needs tiles with, come on, 45-degree angles to make a design. After the cut, what is the angle measure of the part left over? How can Mr. Tran use both pieces in the design? So first off, we know if we look at this, we know here to here is already 45 degrees. It lets us know that, but we should already know something based upon this, because if I look here, if I get rid of this blue for a minute, and I just look at this, what do I know? Well, I look at that square. That square lets me know, yeah, it's a right angle. And so from here to here is already a right, so I know that is 90, and I know that this is 45. So if I take 90 minus 45, make that an 8, make that a 10, 10 minus 5 is 5, 8 minus 4 is 4, so it's a 45 degree. So both of these are 45, so he's going to be able to use both pieces of tile. So pretty cool stuff. The next problem is, whoa, I don't know what happened. Oh, let me see if I can. Okay. So here's the next one. Marcel is building a frame for a sandbox, but the boards she has are too short. She must join the two boards together to make a side as shown. At what angle did she cut the first board? So this is it. And I apologize. Let me see if I can get this picture. There we go. So if I look just at this board alone, okay, we know that this angle from here to here is 55. We need to know what he cut the first one at. Now there's something a student should already know. What angle is this? That's a bad line. But this line down here, students should already know what that line is. It's a straight angle is 180 degrees. So if I take that 180 and I minus this first angle, it should give me this angle right there. So 180, so if I do 0 minus 5 I can't do, so I'm going to borrow and make this a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5, 7 minus 5 is 2. And so it's 125 degrees right there. That's 125. And so we have to use something we already know, for instance, that straight angle, and then it gives us another angle. So that's all the kids have to do, is they have to use something they already know, which is one of these angles that they know, and use that final angle. So this is Mr. Ralph's teaching 11.5. Join me next time as we start a new unit of 12.1. Have a great night.